Alright, welcome to Nothing Pretty Brick Tutorials. This series will cover the most absolute fundamental steps for a quality top rock style. 2-step, front step, side step spreads. Time for the side step. This is all it is from the center to the side. Whoa. Whoa. Let's talk about how to make it look good and how to make it look like breaking and top rock. First off, you keep your weight in the center, right? Most of your weight at least. Get a good feel for this by picking up the leg. Put it out there, pick it up. Bend your center knee as the other leg moves out. Along with that leg that's moving out, you want to move your pelvic bone, your hip, out along with it. And your shoulders, as you can see by my hands gesturing, stay in the center. To switch quickly, just stay on your toes like you're jumping a rope. And you do actually want to put some pressure on the outside, just to get a little more bounce and control. This was 3 out of 4. Give the next video a watch and then go practice.